Guys, good morning, and I'm already too late for my class, so I'm going to my class. Today I'm so late for my class, morning class, so I'm good this early. आज म एकदम ढिलो भयो, so I'm going now. Oh no guys, I'm running now. I'm so late. Actually guys, my class is so nearby my home, but today I don't know, I'm feeling so far, like म कति टाढो बसेको जस्तो लाग्दैछ today. All the shops are closed today. Okay guys, finally I reached my class. So I can't take you inside the class because it's very confidential. So okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Okay, thank you for your love and support. अब हामी भेटौँ हाम्रो नेक्स्ट भिडियोमा. So till then, bye guys.